Today I am reviewing the EXCaliberPC Predator Helios Neo 16S AI. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for the ultimate gaming and productivity machine in 2025, the EXCaliberPC Predator Helios Neo 16S AI gaming laptop is a device that truly stands out. This is not just any gaming laptop. It's a high-performance powerhouse designed to handle anything you throw at it, whether it's AAA gaming, creative work, or heavy multitasking. From its cutting-edge hardware to its stunning display, this laptop is built for those who demand the absolute best in performance and visuals. Let's start with the brain of this beast, the Intel Core Ultra i9 275HX processor. With 24 cores and a clock speed ranging from 2.7 GHz to a massive 5.4 GHz. This CPU is designed for extreme performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running multiple applications at once, the processor ensures everything remains smooth and responsive. Intel's Smart Cache of 36 MB further accelerates your workflow, allowing faster access to frequently used applications and files. Essentially, this CPU can handle everything from AAA gaming titles to intensive creative workloads, and even professional software like video editing suites, 3D rendering tools, or programming environments. Paired with the processor is a whopping 64 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5,600 MHz, which makes multitasking effortless. You could be gaming at ultra settings, running several browser tabs, editing videos, and still have plenty of memory left over. This kind of RAM ensures that no matter how many heavy applications you open, the laptop won't stutter or slow down. Next, let's talk storage. The dual 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSDs, totaling 2 TB, provide lightning-fast read and write speeds. This means Windows boots almost instantly, games load in seconds, and large files transfer without delay. If you're a content creator working with 4K or even 8K footage, these drives provide the speed and capacity needed for editing, rendering, and storing massive projects. And for gamers, having this much storage means you can install multiple AAA games without worrying about space. The graphics performance is where this laptop truly shines. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory is more than capable of running modern games at ultra settings, supporting real-time ray tracing, and utilizing AI-driven enhancements for improved visuals and performance. Paired with the AI features of the laptop, this GPU delivers smooth, consistent frame rates, making even the most demanding titles look incredible. Of course, all this power deserves a display that can keep up. The 16-inch QHD Plus OLED screen with a 240Hz refresh rate offers breathtaking visuals. With 2560 by 1600 resolution and 100% DCI, P3 color coverage, colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the overall image quality is stunning. Gamers will love the buttery-smooth refresh rate, while creators will appreciate the color accuracy for photo and video editing. Whether you're immersed in fast-paced FPS games or watching high-definition movies, this display delivers an unparalleled visual experience. The design of the Predator Helios Neo 16S is sleek, modern, and surprisingly portable for a laptop of this caliber. It manages to balance performance with usability, making it easy enough to carry to a friend's house, a gaming tournament, or between work and home. Thermal management has also been thoughtfully implemented. Despite the extreme power under the hood, the laptop remains cool and quiet thanks to advanced cooling technology. This ensures that both the CPU and GPU can perform at their maximum without throttling or overheating. On the software side, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, giving you access to the latest features, security updates, and gaming optimizations. EXCaliberPC backs this laptop with a 1-year USA warranty, giving you peace of mind in case of any issues. In conclusion, the EXCaliberPC Predator Helios Neo 16S is more than just a gaming laptop. It's a complete performance machine. From its top-of-the-line CPU and GPU to the fast storage, massive RAM, and stunning OLED display, it handles anything you throw at it with ease. Whether you're a gamer wanting smooth gameplay at ultra settings, a content creator needing fast rendering speeds, or someone who simply wants a high-performance laptop that can handle everything, the Helios Neo 16S is an excellent choice. Investing in this laptop means investing in performance, quality, and future-proofing. In 2025, if you want a laptop that delivers uncompromised gaming, professional-grade performance, and a premium experience, the EXCaliberPC Predator Helios Neo 16S AI gaming laptop sets a new standard for what a high-end laptop should be.